Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change exposure and contrast on your photos using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, all you have to do is right here, tap at that plus sign, and that opens up your camera roll. And from here, you can select any photo. Let it be, for example, that one. You can just check mark it and then hit on Add to add this photo to Lensa app. Once the photo has been added, it opens up editor mode where you can apply any effects to that photo. The first thing that I recommend you to do is to use magic retouch feature first. There are 4 different presets as for now, and all of them applies a bunch of different filters to your photo in one click, just like that. You can right now hit on reset to see the original photo, and then you can apply any other filter to your photo to improve its quality. Once you did that, you can move on to the next step, and now you can get in the adjust tab just right there. Then you can scroll down for a bit until you find exposure and contrast feature. As you can see, these options are not set by default because default amount is 0 on each of them. That's because we applied magic retouch filter. So right here, in that way, you can simply by dragging these sliders increase or decrease contrast and exposure in that simple way. And once you finished with that, you can continue editing that image because there are a lot of different other options here, other effects or filters or whatever. And once you finished with that, you can just hit on save to save this photo to your camera roll. Once you did that, you can hop out Lensa, go into photos, and right here you can easily find the photo that we have just created. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.